back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Wednesday, and as you can probably tell for today's video, I have a thrift haul for you guys. My husband and I did go on a junk run on Sunday. We found some really cute things, some larger items this go around. There weren't a lot of smalls, but before that, on Saturday, I found out that the community right up the hill from me was having a community yard sale, and I've never been before, so I decided to check it out. And you guys, there were over 200 yard sales in this one community, and they had food trucks and porta potties and mats. And I honestly wish I would have planned better so that I could have spent the day hanging out up there and shopping, but unfortunately I hadn't made any arrangements, so I had to come to work at 10. So I only got to spend about an hour and a half up there running around, but I did hit probably 15 or 20 yard sales in that amount of time. So it was crazy. You park on a block and there were literally just 3 or 4 yard sales on that block, and you could just walk to them and then get in your car and drive to the next block or the next street. There were a lot. So it was fun, but I picked up a couple things from those sales, and then most of this came from our junk run on Sunday. So without further ado, I'll just get to showing you what we did find. I think I'll start on the table and work my way down. So this was one of the things that I found at the yard sales on Saturday. This pot was $2, you guys, and it is so cute. It has a hole in the bottom, ready to go outside. So for $2, it was a great buy. So I grabbed that. This I got at one of the yard sales for $1. It's nothing vintage or anything like that, but it is just a really pretty colored glass bottle, and it will go really well with some of the other kind of sea glass colors of things that I've been kind of collecting. So this will go with that collection. This I got at one of the yard sales. This was 50 cents. Just a little amber glass fluted kind of wavy edged, roughly edged dish. So I thought it was really cute, and so I went ahead and grabbed that for 50 cents. You can hardly go wrong. This thing was $1. It's brand new in the box. It's Lennox. I will put this out for Christmas. Again, for $1, I thought it was worth it to add to my Christmas displays, so I grabbed that. This thing here I got at one of the estate sales. This was marked 12, but I talked to the gal and I explained to her that I had a business, and we got to chatting, and she's like, well, if you see anything, give me a price. And so I said I would go $6 on this, or $8 on this. And so she said fine. So instead of 12, I got it for $8. It's a cute little plant stand, metal, that'll go perfectly out in the nursery. So I was excited for that. And I'm going to save the last item that I got at the yard sales until the end, just because it's a little bit bigger and heavier and bulky, and I don't want to accidentally knock anything else over when I try to show you guys. Anyway, so then on to the things we found at Goodwill. There were a few. First of all, I found, well, actually my friend Keisha, this is the beautiful thing about having friends who thrift on the same days you do. My friend Keisha goes to Goodwill almost every Sunday like I do, and she's kind of started to learn what I like and what I'm looking for, and so she found this. She actually went to a different Goodwill to start than I did this time, and she found this and stuck it in her cart and saved it for me. I thought it was really cute, so I went ahead and kept it. It needs a bolt in here to hold this together, but my husband has many in his garage. I'm sure he can fix it. And it needs new fabric. The fabric is very dingy and dirty and gross, so I will be recovering it with something, but it should be a pretty easy reupholstery job. I honestly don't know if I'm going to color or repaint the metal. It's in really, really good shape. It just needs a bath, and so I'll do that and then see where we are. And it was only $7.99. Now I'm going to lift this guy and put it on the ground, but these are really heavy. I'm pretty sure these are Vietnamese made pots. I got 2 of them at the Goodwill. Outdoor, frost free. I'm positive that that's what these are. And they had been returned, and so they were behind the counter, and I asked when we got up to the front if they were for sale or if somebody had already purchased them and they were holding them and what the story was. And the gal looked at them and she said, well, somebody had just returned them, and they were marked, and they were marked at $15.99 a piece, and which is honestly a smoking deal. These in a nursery to buy frost-free planters this size, you're probably looking at $50 to $75. But I still, for me, I take so much money with me on Sundays and I have a budget, and that would have kind of blown my budget for the day. So I was like, yeah. And so the gal behind the counter, the manager, she said, I'll tell you what, I'll give you a deal on them. And I was like, okay, well, what's your deal? She said, how about $10 for the pair of them? And of course I could not pass that up. So I basically got 2 of those for $5 each, you guys. So I was super thrilled with that. Then I did find this cute little metal folding, what would you call this? Little planter shelf is what I'm calling it, because that's probably what I'm going to use it for. I will more than likely put it out in the nursery. It's really, really cute. It's got a couple little issues. One of the shelves of the lattice is a little bent. This probably needs to be hammered up. It's kind of bent down a little bit, but other than that, it's in really good shape, and it was only $10, so I grabbed that. And then a couple more smalls. This I found at the Goodwill. I liked the color. It'll go really good in my fall displays. If you watched my last thrift haul video, I found a green dish that was similar in color to this one, so I will put them together somewhere in one of my displays, and this was $3.99. Then I found this pretty mirror. I don't know if it's an antique or if it's vintage, but I thought it was cute. And it was $4.99. I just really loved the little rim around it. I thought that was really pretty, so I grabbed that. And then last week, if you saw the little weird, I think it was last week. Anyway, I grabbed a weird little candle holder that was wide wood, and then it had a little piece on the top that held a taper holder. I took them apart and I said something about finding a cloche that might fit that, and so I did. I found this cloche. It was $2.99 at the Goodwill, and so this is the piece that I picked up, and if you remember, it had a little candle holder on top here. I took out the thing that held them together, and I was planning on just painting this up, and then I said I wanted to find a cloche for it. Well, the cloche that I found doesn't really fit this side, so what I'm thinking is I will put some of those little felt buttons on here just to make sure this is nice and stable, and then I will flip it over so that this is the top, and then my little cloche will fit perfectly on there, and it'll be kind of fun. You could see it for fall. You could put a little pumpkin in there or something, so it'll be a fun little piece. Anyway, so that's kind of my plan for the cloche. And then the other couple things I found, this actually, again, Keisha found this for me, you guys, and I will show it to you. Isn't this the cutest little thing? It is vintage. The top is just it's just wood. It's got this little, oops, it's got the little drawer. And then the bottom opens like this. It's cubby. I suppose if you were using it as a nightstand, you'd throw your books in there, whatever. I don't know what other use it would have, honestly. If you guys know precisely what this was meant for, let me know in the comments. But I think it's just a cute little plant stand or nightstand or whatever you want to use it for. Super good opportunity for some paint and something fun. Just to kind of freshen it up and liven it up a little bit. And I might even use the original hardware back on it. I don't know. So again, just a cute little piece of wood furniture. So I'm excited for that. And then this little guy I got for $10. And I am going to, I'll show you guys a little closer. So here's what it looks like a little closer. It's a cute little piece. I can tell you right now, though, it's not It's not super well made. It's very light. And this drawer kind of sticks, and I'm not really positive how to fix that. It's got a lot of chippies around the edge. The finish is kind of coming off, so I'm going to probably take it out and sand that. I have a feeling it's MDF, not solid wood, but it was only $10, and I think it could be super, super cute with the right paint and finishes. So I'm going to try and do something about this door if I can, and then give this a little redo, and then it'll be good to go. So, but for $10, again, I was kind of excited to find it. And then I promised you I would show you the last thing that I found at the yard sales. Had to move some other things out of the way. It is a chair. Oh, here we go. So it is super, super cute. Really, really comfortable. The fabric's in great shape. The back of it looks like this. It's got rungs on it. It's just a cute little chair, you guys. I was so excited. And I am not 100% positive at this point in time if I am selling this or keeping it for myself. So there's a really good possibility that this little baby is going to be going home with me. We'll see. But I only paid $15 for it. So whatever I do with it, it'll be a good choice. If I sell it, I'm sure I can at least triple my money. And if I keep it, it'll look super cute in my house. So either way is a good thing. So, but that is it from here for today. I hope you guys liked my little haul, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And then, of course, just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite item in today's haul. I always like to hear from you guys, so let me know what that is. And just a quick reminder, any paint and products you might need for DIYing, I have quite the assortment. I do carry DIY paint and products, as well as Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, some Recycled Treasures decoupage papers, and Redesign with Prima here in my cottage and online at www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. So check those out there. And for Saturday's video, I am going to get into gear, you guys, and try and get some of these things that I have got sitting around now in my kitchen that need painted. And so it will definitely be some sort of a thrift flip for Saturday. So I hope you'll join me back here for that. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week and beginning of the weekend. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. And I will see you back here on Saturday. Bye.